Today's video is brought to you in part by Rakuten. Luxury organization done on a dime. You don't want to miss today's video.
If you're sick of plastic organization and you want true luxury, but you also can't spend a lot, we're going to IKEA and the thrift store. I'll share with you all of the ways to get easy and actually affordable true luxury organization around your home. A makeover and hacks you don't want to miss. Some really unique ideas that will definitely surprise you.
And I honestly can't believe I'm going to show this on the internet right now.
Here we go. The shame.
No shame, you're changing the game.
This is Do It on a Dime. We only do real systems for real people because these hacks are things you can do without tools or skills.
IKEA has a beautiful cutting board organizer that's made of wood. It's only a few dollars. You can stick this right inside of a dresser drawer. This is perfect for organizing undergarments, tank tops. I'm using it in my son's room to organize pants. This is a really elevated way to keep that area organized and beautiful.
It's meant to be used for lid organization, but something affordable that's a quality product like this has so many uses. I highly recommend them for kitchen towels and cleaning rags. IKEA's towels are one of their best, most luxury buys. These towels are just 99 cents. And I also love the $4.99 towels with the loop on them. This keeps me organized in the bathroom so no towels end up on the floor. Here's how you know if something is truly luxury. Luxury organization elevates the everyday. It uses quality materials, and that's the bar I'm holding all of this video to. And speaking of bars, my next favorite IKEA find is this one. These metal rails that are only $7.99, and they're hooks that are super affordable too.
I really like these wall organizers. There's easy ways to hang these without using tools. It's super affordable. You can do it for less than 20 bucks.
I will link down below my favorite nanobond technology tape that you can put on the back of these rails for less permanent installations like in kitchens. Let cure and bond for 24 hours before using. Stay tuned because I'm going to surprise you with what I do with this space.
You can also use these rods for hanging coats, for hanging umbrellas by the front door. You don't have to just use them in the kitchen. The sky is truly the limit.
But back to my kitchen, and let's put a coffee emoji in the comments if you like coffee.
Come here. We are making a super cool coffee station in the kitchen, and I have so many hacks to share with you. I love IKEA for their coffee supplies. Like, if I came anywhere, this is the spot I would come to get it.
Their French press, organizing containers are all highly rated and the only place I would come to get it.
And there is a hack you might not know of. Whether you drink coffee or tea, you don't want to miss this one.
IKEA's computer monitor stands with drawers are incredible in kitchens for organization. The bamboo drawer organizer is so luxury to me, and it fits coffee and tea bags absolutely perfectly. I hung some coffee mugs on the back of the wall, and now I have a luxury and beautiful coffee station. See how the tea bags fit exactly? I mean, I think this is one of my favorite hacks of the video. This slides around easily if you want to move your Keurig or machine. I love how this feels elevated when I come down in the morning. Sit back and relax because my favorite tricks are coming up, and this hack for saving even more on IKEA's low prices. I rarely shop in store. I usually shop online and I select click and collect so I can pick up in store.
This is Do It on a Dime. Not only do we like to save, we like to save on top of the savings, which is why I'm so thankful Rakuten is a partner for today's video. It is a totally free app that gives you cash back on shopping you were doing anyway. For President's Day, IKEA has triple cash back, and some of my favorite stores, Ulta, Expedia, Macy's, CVS. We use it for travel, we use it for dining. I'm gonna show you how super easy this is. So you wanna download Rakuten, it's totally free. I'm gonna click shop now at IKEA, shop. It will take me to the website with my cash back activated. And now I shop as normal, and I'm gonna link down below every single item that I found at IKEA if you're interested in finding it. But my favorite part of working with Rakuten is you get a $50 welcome bonus when you use my referral link. That is $50 free put back in your pocket. That means if you were to do one of the organizing projects from this video, technically you're doing it for free with your cash back. It's an app that I really trust and have used for years. And I got some updates that some of you downloaded the app, but you never made a qualifying purchase. So get your money, girl. It's gonna be linked down below. I'm here to collect my IKEA click and collect order. And I want to share with you some bonus buys with Kathryn, just some of my favorite really affordable finds. I am seeing this kitchen and I'm getting so many ideas. Come here. This is one of IKEA's best selling products. This is the Fejka. It is like a tiered organizer, and because it's bamboo, it's made of wood. This would be really great in a kitchen, especially if you're low on storage space.
And the most bang for your buck item to order in bulk, this is great for a click and collect order, is their glassware. Not only is it affordable, but luxury is in the pause. It's in the everyday. The simple glass, the repeated materials, and the way your home supports small rituals. When things are stored beautifully, even the ordinary moments start to feel special. And this video is all about you. While you're watching, I want you to think of different places around your house and how you could use some of these simple ideas to make your house feel more luxury. And now I've got an amazing trick with this IKEA picture frame.
This trick is literally genius. I also want you to grab 2 of these IKEA frames, and you're going to grab one of the little mini trunks from Dollar Tree. This is in the wood section. I removed the hinges so I could put it between the frames.
IKEA's shadow box frames are great for hidden organization. I added the hinges to the side of this so we can open it like a book.
Then I took Dollar Tree hook magnets and Dollar Tree magnets, and I made a really cool key organizer. You don't need a lot of skill to be able to do something super fun like this, and I just love that it's hidden storage that's actually elegant. A lot of times for me, creativity is the luxury. Being creative with something, making something that's actually mine, it's one of those fun things. I think this would be fun too, to like leave little notes for your family in. I would love to know how you would use it. Luxury organization is about lifting everyday items, repeating materials, and letting spaces breathe. I think using natural materials as much as possible really helps. I also love IKEA's wooden hangers. This is the cheapest price you can possibly get them at for an entire pack.
The quality is unmatched, but maybe your home is feeling less than luxury. You're dealing with a mess, or you look around and you think, these ideas are great, but I don't know if my house would work.
Angie, I see opportunity.
I'm glad you see opportunity because I see a giant mess.
This is my friend Angela Braniff's house, and I want to show you how some of these ideas that are super affordable, thrifted, and from IKEA would come to life in a real space dealing with real messes. If you can relate, there is a gift in this truth. Decluttering is what clears the path for luxury. It might surprise you.
I got that camera when Kennedy was born. She's 13. Why do I still have that box?
Today is your moment, Angie. Today is your moment.
Thank you.
Yeah, my shoe.
That's your shoe? Awesome. We're going to get a good spot for it.
Nothing elevated can exist in excess. Once the closet was cleared, the transformation didn't come from buying more, it came from choosing better. Matching wooden hangers, textured baskets became the power couple. Plus, I installed an extra bar in the closet too. The before and...
All right. Your space is complete. I'm so excited, and honestly, you think of things that I never would have thought of, and that's the help that I need, because this whole hanging bar, in my mind, it's a coat closet, so it's got a bar and a shoe rack at the bottom, and I never would have thought of this. And anything that helps them do things more independently is always a plus. It's simple, streamlined, and one they can actually keep organized. Awesome! Nice work! When I think about spaces that feel luxurious to me, I can quickly and easily get to everything inside. I'm not overcomplicating, I'm not overthinking.
Luxury organization is possible from IKEA and the thrift store. We're going to get there in a second, but first we've got to do some more decluttering.
And I honestly can't believe I'm going to show this on the internet right now. But
You are, and she is. Here we go. The shame. No shame, you're changing the game.
Angie's second closet is so relatable. To create minimalist luxury, we have to begin with clarity. She had a lot of good ideas, and it was just taking the first step. Then we'll head to the thrift store.
we've kind of just gone to all white towels, all white sheets for everybody. That way I can wash everything together and I can bleach it, clean it all together, and I don't have to worry about like color staining or anything like that. So that's the direction that we're going as we use up old stuff.
You're declaring towel bankruptcy and starting new. Taking towel and sheet inventory is so critical, so we cleared everything out of the closet to reassess how she uses that space. I showed her my favorite way to fold towels, which makes them super easy to access, especially for little hands. A lot of people fold towels like this, but what makes it hard with kids is that they grab several towels at a time. So this way is great because it's one singular towel that's easy for kids to take out and the whole stack doesn't fall. Third, a leaf, and then half.
That is very satisfying.
Isn't it?
Wow. I'm not someone who cares about folding, but I might now.
Right?
My favorite ways to use baskets or containers are for items you don't love folding. Things that you can just toss in, they're really easy to get in and out, or things that are hard to stack up in the closet. I think it's genius. She does not use flat sheets. She only does fitted sheets on all the beds, and they're all uniform, so she just throws it in the wash, you can bleach them, and it makes it super easy. Yep. That's genius. The letting go was such a true gift in this space. Now this area has complete clarity and intention. When you think about your home's organization through a luxury lens, that clarity allows you to make purchases with purpose instead of with impulse. Maybe that's a hack in and of itself. Am I buying something just to buy it? Or is this going to function better in my home? Will it elevate the space? Is it going to bring more quality to my life? Angie was amazing to share her home, and we had quite the donation to take to the thrift store. IKEA gives incredible structure, and the thrift store lets you layer in high-end materials, often from places like Pottery Barn for a fraction of the cost. And when I shop this way, organization stops being about budget and starts being about intention. This is where you'll find solid wood, woven baskets, and storage that's made to last, often from high-end brands. When you're thrifting for organizers, look for quality materials, solid wood, woven fibers. Check the weight and the texture of something. And I like to look on the bottom and see where the item was originally made. I always shop materials, not trends, and I look for quality over quantity. The thrift store is what's going to provide structure and soul. This is what makes your house feel truly luxury, especially for a quality one-off bin or basket. Oftentimes, I find something better at the thrift store that I could find in store, like this basket in our living room, or this basket to store our technology, or even our $1.99 card basket. Look for texture, look for weight, and look for quality. Something that will stand the test of time is something that's truly luxury.
Steam trunks, just like this one at my local thrift store, are another amazing way to have extra storage, like for blankets, but you can also double them as coffee tables. This is such a great trick if you haven't tried it.
This is the time to pull in the vintage, a piece that's meant to last forever. This vanity tray really spoke to me. It was only $8. I really like the French provincial vibe. I pulled this into our master bathroom to help corral makeup and jewelry. It was the perfect addition, and it's truly vintage. Brass and iron are two materials I always gravitate to. I found this beautiful towel holder for just $2.99, which is perfect for those IKEA towels. Also look for anything marble when it comes to organization in the thrift store. I found this file organizer with a marble base. I was so excited that this one was just $3.99. It's perfect for our office.
If you are not finding luck in the thrift store, I have 2 tips for you. Are you ready? And I want you to go into them with an open mind. The first tip is I want you to visit a thrift store 6 times on 6 different days. Pop in after work, pop in the morning, pop in a couple of weekends, spread it out over time. And I guarantee you, over 6 visits, you are going to find something that your home is absolutely going to love. My second tip is to try shopping on Facebook Marketplace. When you're on Marketplace, expand your search radius to an additional 50 miles. And I want you to start saving your favorite pieces. By saving your favorite pieces, it's going to train the algorithm to serve you more of that type of content. So you're way more likely to find something super awesome. Always remember to be super kind in the messages, and I always start my message just like this. Hey, I'm interested in this piece. Would you be willing to let it go for X amount if I'm able to pick it up today? A lot of times the person will say yes. And I love to thrift furniture for organization. You remember in a recent video, I redid our master closet. I did a quick declutter of the space, and I got secondhand a beautiful dresser that I put inside, also a mirror. I got all of the containers from the Dollar Tree, and because they're a natural fiber and the dresser is quality, this space instantly reads as luxury. It's uniform and it's elegant, and you don't have to spend a lot. For spaces to feel luxury, it helps to not have a ton of visual clutter. So I like storage that is closed. One of my favorite finds is this beautiful armoire I thrifted for $195. It reminds me of the armoire of Narnia. And inside, I can keep so many items. One thing that you have to know about Miss Beauty is that she has been wounded. They literally, I think, to fit a VCR in here, cut through the wood like giant holes. I'm not a woodworker. I am a girl with a camera. So we're gonna get creative, and I'm gonna take you along on the journey. Come here.
I took an old tablecloth and a tension rod, and I just draped it over the back to help cover those holes up. And what's a do it on a dime video if something's not from the Dollar Tree? I grabbed these mini frames. They make beautiful labels on baskets. All you have to do is add a bit of hot glue to the back. This is such an elevated look, especially for those larger ones. I put all of the linens inside of this one, and on the bottom shelf, it covered that hole in the back. I loved how everything had a home. This little candle snuffer, by the way, that's also from the Dollar Tree. Keep your eyes peeled for it. I added a few baskets to the middle with that beautiful red draping. In the Chronicles of Narnia, what does Lucy first see when she walks through the wardrobe? A lantern. I found this plug-in one. It was really inexpensive online, and I used some C-hooks to hang this on the back of the wardrobe. I already had the crack in the back, so I decided to work with it. And maybe you're thinking to yourself, I never get that lucky when I'm thrifting. I just have to say, I have found so many really cool pieces when I was in the thrift store. Check out this one. It was under $200 with this beautiful little door, clearly very handcrafted. Look at the drawers on this. They're fantastic. And my local thrift store started putting inspiration pictures on the front of some of the pieces so you could see beyond what's in front of you. Get things really affordably and make it over for your home.
You can pair something high-end with something that is humble, with something that is functional. Sometimes the contrast of those two things together, I think, is even more beautiful. My beautiful friend, be sure to check out Rakuten. The link is down below and claim your free $50 welcome bonus.
Make sure you've signed up for President's Day this weekend because there is so much triple cash back in all of your favorite stores.
If nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll catch you soon.